Hey, Mrs. Autohound, how you feeling right now? A little nervous?
A little nervous, very excited.
You are doing awesome. This is the 911 GTS you're going to drive for the first time. We're going to record you coming out of pit lane here, and then I think we'll just be the navigator. How's that?
Sounds good.
Here we go.
My wife and I went to the Hampshire Motor Speedway for the Porsche Driving Event. We had a great time. In the first video, Ginny does autocross in a 5,000-pound all-wheel drive Porsche Taycan GTS. And then we had some fun in the Macan GTS, the Cayenne GTS, and my personal favorite, the 2023 911 GTS. I will tell you, a great time was had by all. Thanks to Porsche Nashua for putting on such an amazing event, and thanks for everybody who did everything that they could to make our day hospitable.
I'm exhausted.
Pit lane. Slow down, slow down, slow down. Alright, so these are the ones we're driving next. This beautiful silver GTS. Yellow GTS, the silver GTS, the blue GTS. Woohoo! Hey, Mrs. Autohound, how you feeling right now? A little nervous?
A little nervous, very excited.
You are doing awesome. This is the 911 GTS you're going to drive for the first time. We're going to record you coming out of pit lane here, and then I think we'll just be the navigator. How's that?
Sounds good.
Here we go.
Here we go. A whopping 14 miles an hour right now.
Well, 14 is 14. Slow down, slow down. Don't be a killer here. Look, Jenny's already exceeding pit speed limit here. I have to talk to her about this. All right, here we go. Hey guys, it's Autohound here. We are doing the Porsche driving experience at the New Hampshire Motor Speedway, and we're driving the new 2023 Porsche Cayenne Turbo, or excuse me, Porsche Cayenne GTS. We've already been around the track once in the Macan GTS, and those are in front of us right now. And we're going to get some rhythm going and go from there. saying it's the Autohound. So, hey guys, so now we are in the 911 Carrera GTS, and this thing is a beast. It's got the red leather interior, and we are at the New Hampshire Motor Speedway, still just having a grand old time. So we're going to do a little bit of filming here, very little bit of filming, because once we start to get into the corners, I think the G-forces might be a little bit excessive for my passenger, Mrs. Autohound. Mrs. Autohound, say hello.
Hello.
And here we go. I've got it in sport mode. I tried it in sport plus mode, and honestly, sport plus mode was very aggressive, and I almost didn't like it. Not that I don't like aggressive driving, but it just made the car a little bit too hard, and using their word, what is compliant. Right now I'm getting in sport mode, and I'm about to take off. How you doing there?
I'm doing fine. We're having a great day here. We've driven some terrific cars, met some fantastic people. Always a good time.
Being able to do these events with your best friend is always a wonderful thing. If you like this type of content, please make sure you like, you comment, and you subscribe. And remember, it's about the drive.